In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AL Ramz in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your AL Ramz brokerage linked directly to Tradingview, so you can place trades straight from your charts without switching between multiple platforms. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can do this by typing the address into the search bar or using your usual bookmark if you already have one. Make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account before you continue. If you're not logged in, take a moment to sign in, because the trading panel and broker connections are only available to signed-in users. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's full-featured charting interface where you'll be doing your analysis and placing trades. Go ahead and click on Supercharts. It may open in a new tab or in the same window, depending on your browser settings. When the charting page loads, you'll see the main chart in the center along with a lot of tools and menus around it. At the bottom of this screen, look for the tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This is where you can connect different brokers and paper trading accounts. Click on Trading Panel to expand that section. After the trading panel opens, you'll see a list of brokers that are either featured or commonly used. To view the complete list, find and click the option that says Show All Brokers. This will reveal every broker that Tradingview currently supports on your account, including AL Ramz if it is available in your region. Now, in the list or the search bar that appears, type in AL Ramz. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list to match your search. When you see AL Ramz in the results, that's the broker you want to connect. Next, click on AL Ramz in that list to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a login or authorization window for AL Ramz, where you'll need to enter your brokerage credentials or approve the connection. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure your details are accurate and secure. Once the authorization is complete, Tradingview will confirm the connection, and you should see AL Ramz listed as an active broker in your trading panel, ready for you to place trades directly from your charts.